Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to stream to Twitch with overlays with no PC. All you need to do is just set them up on a phone, anything, and then they'll automatically transfer onto your OBS. This is done via an Xbox. I'm going to be using the Xbox companion app. I have got my Xbox back out. It's an old Xbox, so bear with me, it may be a bit slow. And we're going to start from the beginning with no settings at all. Alright, so we're going to get straight into it now. I'm going to show you how to stream to Twitch with overlays on an Xbox with no PC. So guys, I am using the Xbox companion app. First of all, what you're going to do is go over to your settings. You want to go down to account and then link social account. What you want to do now, I've got a password reset there, so I'm going to put a password in. And all you're going to do, you want to link your Twitch account to your Xbox. You can link all these others if you really want to. You can do that by scanning the QR code that pops up and then just show the profile there. Alright, so once you've done that, what you want to do is obviously, I'm going to show you everything on the Xbox first. To set up a live stream, you want to go over to share. You want to go start live stream. So guys, I was unable to do it on my PC, so I had to use my mobile phone, so that's why it's a bit shit here. As you go over to share, go down to the live stream, wait for it to load up. So I do apologize for the quality, but this is the only way we can do it. Once that loads up, then you want to scroll down to camera options, and then you can add the camera there. But more importantly, go to more options, and down the bottom says Twitch, as you can see here. You want to change that to Streamlabs. This then will direct through Streamlabs before going to Twitch, and then that's how you do it. Save that there, and make sure you're ready to go live then. So all you need to do now is go to your phone or PC, and then we can go to the next step. So once you're at your phone or PC, you want to go over to streamlabs.com/console. And you're going to end up to this site. I will be putting the link in the description, just so it's easier for you guys. As you can see, you can get a 7-day free trial. Alright, so you just go ahead, try it for 7 days. If you don't like it, you don't have to use it again. Why not? So all you got to do is log in or sign up, whichever one you would like to. And I'll be back with you in just a second, so you guys can see what you need to do next. So guys, when you log in, you're going to have a screen like this. You won't have this bit here, it'll be blank. What you want to go to is your account. You're going to go to your account up here, and you want to make sure you're connected to Streamlabs, and you're connected to your Twitch, okay? So make sure they're both connected in there. What you want to do then is go back, and this is now your basically your workspace, really. Where else can I put it? You can add alerts, alert boxes, you can add your cameras. This is an old school version of mine, so this is my old school camera. Little pictures, and you can all add them by here. So you can add components by here. Alert boxes and stuff, you can all add through there. You can add stream labels, you can put new follower, new sub, stuff like that. You can add images, webcams, anything you want on your gameplay. So you can add your gameplay and then stuff like all that. Alright. So that's how you use that. Once you're ready to do, all you got to do, go back over to your Xbox and press go live. That is simply how easy it is. Again, this is only a free trial for 7 days. If you do want to purchase it, it is $5.99 a month.